What's up everybody, in this video I am going to show you how you can install the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 ROM on your Galaxy Note 5. I am using the Canadian model SM920W8, but this ROM almost supports all of the Note 5 variants. The ROM we are going to look at is ported from Galaxy Note 8, so it does have all the features which you may see on the actual Note 8. This ROM comes with the Samsung's latest One UI and is based on the Android 9 Pie. My experience with this ROM was good and it could have been a lot better if the native camera app did not stop working. I mean, this ROM is almost perfect and is as good as the real Note 8, but the error in the native camera app ruined some experience. I fixed this issue by installing Gcam and it worked for me, but if you can't stay away from the Samsung's camera app, then you should stay away from this ROM as well. However, in my opinion, the Gcam app is far superior than Samsung's camera app, so it should not be a deal breaker for most of you. In general, the battery life was improved and the phone became faster than before. Sometimes logging in into some social apps takes longer than usual and the reason is unknown. The fingerprint sensor and the S Pen features works perfectly. The ROM contains all the bells and whistles like the actual Note 8. Navigation gestures, Note 8 live wallpapers, dark mode and always on display are some of my favorite features of this ROM. Now, when you have decided to get this ROM on your Galaxy Note 5, then let's jump towards the installation method. Well, the installation process is quite simple, you just need to follow the steps shown in the video. So let's begin. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, then sub to the channel would be highly appreciated. Until next time, stay safe and bye.